candied bacon. You got this?
I've got it.
Let's do it.
Begins by gathering hardware and also his ingredients. Peppers of all kind and vinegar. But most importantly, maple syrup. He begins by pouring a 1/4 cup of maple syrup and 2 1/4 cups of rice wine vinegar, realizing it should have only been 1, so he doubles up. Next, he adds a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, packing it tight, making sure to leave some for the ants, because he likes ants. However, just like his mother taught him, he cleans up after himself. Not very well, but he does. A teaspoon of Saigon kick pepper, black pepper to taste, and no salt. Using a fork, he combines his ingredients. He sets it aside and preheats his oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, he fetches his baking sheet and prepares it with aluminum foil. Trust me, this is a hot mess. Once he places his cooling rack in the middle, he fetches his thick cut bacon. It's the only bacon you should ever use. Onto the rack. Once his oven is at temperature, he puts his bacon for 10 minutes. After, he removes them, flips his bacon, and will put it back into the oven for another 5 minutes. Then it is ready to be basted with the nectar of the gods. Using a silicone brush, he glazes one side of the bacon, showing a nice even coat. Flips it. And glazes it again. This will make it heavenly. Back into the oven for 5 minutes. He will repeat this process many times. Once he is satisfied, he removes it from the oven onto a cooling pad. In order for it to cool and not become a hot, sticky mess, he cuts a piece of parchment paper. He uses tweezers to remove and place on the parchment paper. Look how delicious. The bacon will crisp as it cools. In the meantime, he marvels at the glory of bacon. And then the all-important taste test.
Salty, sweet, crunchy, chewy, but not overly sweet, just right. Delicious.
This has been Candied Bacon by Black Tie Kitchen. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Follow us at blacktieKitchen.com, Black Tie Kitchen on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Until next time, stay hungry.